name, we want to receive your freedom. We want to receive your freedom. Every disease that everyone has been facing, that the spirit of that has been blocking it. May they receive their healing in Jesus' name. May they receive their healing in Jesus' name. May they receive their healing in Jesus' name. In Jesus' name. In Jesus' name. In Jesus' name. Receive that healing. Receive that healing in Jesus' name. No more doubts in your body. In Jesus' name. No more doubts. No more doubts. No more doubts. No more doubts. In Jesus' name. That sickness that has been affecting your body be removed in Jesus' name. 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 We cancel every spirit of doubt that has been affecting our prayer life. We cancel it in Jesus' name. We cancel it in Jesus' name. I cancel it in your body. Everyone is watching this message today. I cancel the spirit of doubt. I cancel the spirit of doubt. Be removed. Be removed. Be removed. Be removed. Be removed. In Jesus' name. I believe that today you are free. You are free from any spirit of doubt. You are free from any disease that's been affecting you. Let us continue to pray. We want to put an end in every disease that has been affecting our body. I hope you can encourage in Jesus' name.